Hi friends, today we're talking about the shape of things. A square is just a square until you add a roof, two windows, and a door. Then it's much, much more. It's a house. A circle is just a circle until you add some lights. Chairs high and low and round they go. It's a Ferris wheel. That looks like a lot of fun. A triangle is just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky and a seagull passing by. What did we make? It's a sailboat. A rectangle is just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a track and a red caboose in the back. And you made a train. An oval is just an oval until you add a nest, a wooden house, and then a patient mother hen. And you made a coop for the hen, and there's an egg. A diamond's just a diamond until you add some string, wind and a tail, and some friends to help it sail. You made a kite. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see. Look at all these different shapes. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? There's a lot. The end. Look around your house and see how many shapes you can find. Bye, friends.